Welcome back, everyone. This is Jeff Jones. My name is Jeff, and I am from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. I appreciate you tuning in to this another video. Maybe it's going to be on YouTube, probably going to be on Rumble, as we're looking to ramp up here in this great new year. What I want to do is go over really quick 2 ways on how to turbocharge your Android TV or even your Android TV box. Once again, if this is your first time, welcome. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, Android TVs and Android TV boxes are very, very popular. Streaming has become the thing for entertainment needs. Not everyone knows how to do it, but moreover, not everyone knows how to keep their machine or their investment as clear as possible. Now, what happens to us is when we use something for a long period of time, it begins to slow down, it begins to bog down, and you have to have the right utility applications to help you out. Now, this is not the first time I brought this up, probably won't be the last, but this happens to every new streamer. They start blaming services and things where, the things that you're looking at versus really taking care of or looking at ways of learning how to take care of your devices. Now, one of the best things you can do is to find out what is running in the background. You can go to the Google Play Store or the App Store on iOS, and you can look for background apps and processes list. I'm going to go ahead and press OK on that. As you can see, I only have 11 apps running in the background. Before that, I had 34, and then I got rid of some. But this is a great app to tell you how many applications are running on the background on your device. What these 11 applications are doing are eating up not only bandwidth, but making the CPU run slower. So you can designate how many ones you want to get rid of. So let's say I wanted to actually get rid of Sling. I would go ahead and click this and then not uninstall, but I would hit force stop. Once I force stop and go back into it, it'll be removed. You can do these one by one. Now, if you're like me and others who stream a lot, you'll have between 30 and 50 apps on here running in the background because you're just trying so many different things. Now, then if you're new to streaming, you're going to play the blame game. It's whoever sold it to me, or it's the service they have on it. It's not that. It's that you haven't learned the little tricks of the trade, so to speak. Now, you could do this manually, but I would recommend this from Tech Doctor UK, the app killer. This will do it automatic for you. And I've already bought this. I think he charges $3 lifetime. So it's very, very affordable. And then he has a cache cleaner, which I'll show you in a moment. You need both of those. So let's say I wanted to get this going. I would have to connect it to it. And I got to make sure you allow USB debugging in the developer options. I do have a video that I'll put at the end of this one. And I'll just put always from this computer. And I'm going to hit allow. And you're going to see it's connected. Now, I could go here. You can see how many apps are running in the background. There's 11. So I'm going to force stop all apps right here. So I could do this. And I'm going to press OK. So the total number of apps killed is 9 out of the 11 because I always leave 2 around that I prefer to leave open. All right, so we could check how many are running. Only 1 is running in the background. So it does it for you automatically, cleans it up. So let me check the background apps, and you should see 1 or 2, the 2. The app killer is running, but the main one that I always leave running is the Blockada. That is my VPN. All right, that's a VPN DNS changer app. Ad blocker. So the only thing that they charge on Blockada is the VPN. So you can see how that works. The second thing that you want to do is you want to go to the cache cleaner. You can get your own, but I like Tech Doctor UK, his cache cleaner. Again, $3. So I spent $6 total for these two, and they run automatically. So let me go ahead and clear my cache, and then it's connected. So I can clean cache and reboot recommend, or I can clean cache. I'm going to clean cache and reboot, and I'm going to go ahead. It's probably going to exit really quick. One of the probably the third best box in Formula. It stands for Google Television. So that's why I have the Android TV launcher page, because Google TV, Google, and is what it is. So let me show you that it's going to come right back up. And once it does, I'll go ahead and close out this video. I just want to, there it is right there. So I want to remind you guys that towards the end of the video, I'm going to give you an option to take a look at our one and done device. What a great, great device. I've sold almost, 550 of them in 5 months, almost 5 months. They're one of the best entry-level devices, or for maybe someone that's on a fixed income or wants something a lot easier to get their feet wet. This is a fantastic media device, and you'll see in the video why you want to go ahead and either share that, get one, share it so that someone can get one, because everyone knows someone that hates paying for these streaming apps or cable. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to sign off right now. I do appreciate everyone who's watched these videos over the last 10 years and whatnot. And also, if you like the one and done or want that information, just follow the links in the description, and we'll see you on the other side. Take care.